Friday. About to get this truck lined up on the rack. Man, they got me working this morning.
Yeah, I don't want to do nothing to it, but do the job. I ain't lifting. I ain't letting it go up and back.
My mechanic, man. This dude, man. See what I got to deal with? I don't want this truck to fall on you.
I'm going to be right here. I ain't going to be under the truck.
We're about to get this bad boy lined up good on this end. Man, this is a job. Oh, good right here. Look at all this stuff I got to walk with. Yes, I need this side to do like the other side. Go ahead. Go ahead. I mean, you should be good.
I don't.
If
it can't. How you gonna leave down this on the lot?
If it fall on you, you done lived a good life, bro.
That truck will fall on there. You can say, man, my truck on the frame. Yeah. I need to do what I need to take the wheel off, and I'm going to work.
I don't want to walk around here and see you on the ground, man.
Man, you ain't gonna look here.
If it fall on him, y'all, he done lived a good life. Preston a good dude. He going to the upper room. Got Big Rooster on the rack. Big Rooster needs some brakes. You can back your truck in.
Thank you. That's right.
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking.
Come on, let's see this truck. Let's back it in here, man. See, when Preston here, we roll out the red carpet for this dude, man.
Hey, man, I'm gonna take care of my business and go. I know.
I already know, man. About to put some brakes on Big Rooster here, cause my steering wheel going. Every time I hit the brakes, and when I'm driving. Truck got over 50,000 miles in this time. Uh-oh, check him out. Check him out. That boy got a motor and a motor. Ooh, that truck in a bind right now. That truck like, what is, hey, I don't know what's more heavy than you or that motor. That boy got Hoosiers on the back of that thing.
That's what I roll with.
Hey, you gonna dead hook with that motor in the back, though, I promise.
Oh yeah, it'll hook up.
Man, my boy Preston, man. That boy always come through. Make sure you go behind him and tighten all the bolts, though. He'll put everything on. Oh, no. Them Hoosiers. If it wasn't for them Hoosiers, you wouldn't get up there. Ooh. Man, let that beast loose, man. That thing want to run.
It ain't going nowhere but right here.
All right, Preston, what you call this truck, man?
Huh?
What you call this truck? We gotta name this truck, bro.
Got the old 5.3 in the back.
That ain't no 5.3.
Man, don't disrespect that boy. Ain't no 5.3.
Oh, you better come look at that.
Man, look at that motor, that boy. That boy got that 4 L60E.
This is an LS1 out of a Camaro or Vet.
Look at that boy. Got the 853 heads. Ain't playing no games.
I thought that was that new intake that comes on the newer 5.3.
Yeah.
Man, now you better get your mind right, son.
Nah, see,
Get your mind right, boy.
see, now this motor, I ain't gotta change the oil fan, the intake, nothing. Drop it in,
That's it.
wide up.
Drop it in, wide up. That's simple.
Huh?
Put that in that.
Oh no, I got a 79 Chevy Malibu.
I think this motor is gonna do some. It's gonna hurt some feelings, man.
Man, you know how long it takes to get an LS1? Ain't nobody giving them up, and not cheap.
What a setup like this going for?
What it's going for, or what I got it for?
Well, what it's going for? We ain't gonna say your price.
No, they going from anywhere 35 to 5,000.
Man, so you got yours for about what, 1,500? I already know. You probably pulled a gun on the man. That's why he gave you such a good deal.
And then I tell you, I was at his house so early this morning.
Yep.
I was at his house
Hey.
early this morning.
Nate, you heard that? He was at his house early, stealing that motor.
How
That
you
dude-
already got a motor and it ain't even 8 o'clock? Come on.
I know.
Man, look, you gotta know the right people.
Yep. So how many? Well, I ain't even gonna go there. Anyway, let's check out this truck. What motor you got in this thing, bro?
A 355, you know, it was a throttle body motor.
This how we get in there like this?
Yeah, but I've got to put a new,
Let's open it up. I want to see this thing. That thing sound healthy.
you can't open it. I got to fix it. I got to take the grill, all kind of crap.
Oh, okay. You rolling. I like that stick shift though. Boy got
See, this one.
super size. Oh, boy got that Looney Tunes. Boy ain't playing. Man, that boy got a motor in the back of his truck with some Hoosiers on in Lake Charles, man. That's how we do it. Oh, man, I didn't see the bomber, bro. So that's
That's a, let me tell you what kind of plane this is. That's a C-130.
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 So-
It got 4 40mm cannons on it on 2 sides. When you need help, call this plane.
So what we gonna call? Look, so we gonna call your truck Lil Uzi.
Look, this is what the Malibu looks like. I just gotta block it off.
Man, that thing nice, bro.
It's been hid for years.
Hey, well, you about to read. Oh, hold on, let's check this out.
It's low on fluid.
It's a little low.
Yeah, 'cause the lines are.
Yeah, a little low.
Guess what my buddy had put this motor in?
What's that?
I bought it out. He put it in a 48 truck.
So Lil Uzi, this is what we call the truck. Lil Uzi.
I'm gonna tell you what. People are gonna do it for that. Nobody ride with me. They can't get in.
This is theft system right here.
Oh yeah, you can't open the door.
Man,
I don't even like this side. Because you can't open it from the outside. Why I like
This dude, yeah.
I don't even like it.
What type of mirror? So this some racing mirrors, huh?
Yeah, it came on the truck though. In 93.
This truck done went. What this truck was about 10-second truck?
Oh nah. It'll take me 10 seconds to go to the gas station from here.
10 seconds to the gas station.
Hey, but I'm telling you, man, you ain't buy no LS1 anywhere.
I already know. Lil Uzi. But Lil Uzi got one in the back, son. On them Hoosiers. Man, what size Hoosiers you on, man? Let me see. Ooh, them Hoosiers done seen better days. That boy, man, this truck looks so fast with these tires on it. That boy running a 245 60-15. Man, they soft too.
It's soft.
Yeah.
Oh, it'll smoke the tires, but why I'm spinning the tires? I ain't going nowhere.
Yeah, you just sliding.
Where I'm going.
What you running? You running jet fuel? You gotta be running jet fuel if you got a jet in the back.
Nah, I ain't running no jet fuel in. I put some jet fuel in here, but I had put some in it before. What it'll do is turn the tailpipe white, and it seemed like it got more horsepower, but I don't go fast enough.
Yeah.
When I get on the freeway, if I'm going to Houston, if I look at my tachometer, if it's at 3,000 RPM, guess what? I'm already passing everybody on the freeway.
Exactly.
At 3,000 RPM,
Man.
because at 2,500, that's 70 miles an hour.
Yeah.
At 2,500. So at 3,000 RPM, I'm doing about 80 or 85.
Oh yeah.
No.
Yeah, you speed now, man. Lil Uzi can't handle that. Let's go, man. Look, I bought top shelf, top of the line parts for my truck.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that, bro. Look at that. Huh. Car Quest all day. Yeah, man. I bought. Now you know what these brake pads rated for? About 30 miles an hour.
Nah.
Some good pads or what? I hope they good. See right here, we got in here. Ooh. Got them big boys in here, man.
Woo. Yeah.
That's them big boys, Preston.
Yeah.
I ain't playing no games. Them things. Man, you see this screwdriver? This is a flathead, like, shank. Preston, that dude cock strong. All right. Man, this thing's so heavy, Nate.
You got the sensor. You got this sensor.
Yes, sir. I went on and got both sides. Gotta get Big Rooster right, so we can get on the road and go pick up the Lambo. The Lambo is ready. That was the word yesterday. So keeping our fingers crossed that from what I hear, it's gonna be ready tomorrow. Gotta get Big Rooster ready for the road. We got a 26-foot enclosed trailer that I gotta pull, and we gotta be able to stop with that thing. We got new ABS sensors, but hopefully my hub is good and it's just a sensor that's bad. So I'm rolling the dice.
Lug nuts on. I can't get the nose of bus on this side. I gotta put a fresh battery.
Oh, okay. It's called a battery, not a battery. How them old schools say battery?
Battery.
Battery.
Yeah, battery.
It's a battery.
Yeah, I don't know what he's talking about. That ain't no battery.
Boy, go put a new battery in that remote, boy. That's why you can't change the channel. Get in a new battery. All this stuff looking good. I'm gonna rotate my tires too, Preston.
I got one. I might have both for a moment. I use a special brake tool, but guess what I use? I use 2 C-clamps.
That's all. That's what all old school mechanics do.
Put 2 C-clamps.
Yeah, we don't need that fancy smashy stuff around here. As long as it works.
That's all I'm talking.
Long as when I
Look
hit.
here. You had this chair. You put that chair back there out there for me.
That was for you. Hey Nate, phone lady here. She said make sure your phone got a new battery in it. These dudes keep breaking phones, so we gotta get our phone repair lady in here.
What you done did?
I need these scratches buffed out my glass. I got scratches in my glass.
There you go.
Ugh.
You need to unlock
You
it.
better get a screen protector for that.
You got some?
No.
What you got in that bag?
My tools.
Oh.
Sometimes I gotta break the screen off.
Come on, man.
Shoot.
My screen all scratched up. All right, let's go see what's going on in the shop. See what's happening out here. Got a shop full. Jose looking sleepy. Ooh, got this thing looking good. So what's been up, DCV fam? Y'all know I've been in and out on these YouTube videos, but man, I've been grinding. Look at that, man. We putting cars on top of cars in this joint. Hey, girl. We've been so busy, man. Whew. It's been crazy. Got Princeton over here counting his marbles. Oh, look at that metal pie. Hey, my next metal video, I'm gonna have a surprise guest on. Woo. Man, that thing loaded down, son. Look at that. We got half of cars all over the place. Rear ends. I need to clean up back here. Man.
We didn't have a technician in the area.
Oh.
Look, another repeat customer just called. I said, didn't I tell you not to break your phone?
You gotta make a living though.
But look, he said, well, the first time they told him they didn't have a technician in the area. And he goes, well, I guess I'll just keep my cracked screen. And she said, well, wait a minute, let me check.
Yeah, well, tell you what, dealing with Nate and Devin, you'll be back in about a month.
Yeah, probably so.
It's them dudes.
Don't you have a 10?
Yes, a 10.
Yeah, he got just a 10.
Yeah, I think you got me
You
now.
got different cameras than he got on his.
That's cool how them phones come apart like that. Oh, hold up. I got a job for you. I got a job for you. My tablet was in an accident. We ain't gonna say who caused it, but you know who you is. So I had to go get that new. See if she can fix this. What can you do about that?
Ooh,
She said, ooh, is there any help?
I don't even know if they sell the screens on that thing. That's your Surface.
Mm-hmm. It was in a bad accident.
I see.
All right, well, I'm about to find out then. Just make sure you leave me some cards before you leave. Nate, what you tearing up, bro? Man. Oh, yeah. He got it all. Yeah. Got them 2019s, D. Make sure everything tight in this joint. Make sure we good. But he impressed too, boy. Look at he impressed, boy.
Damn. I mean, don't go nowhere because I'm gonna need you in a few seconds.
All right, take that wheel off. I already know. They go on the electric cars, man. Electric taking over, bro.
I know you paid about $600 for this house.
Yeah, that thing about 600, but he been having that thing. That's his. How long you been having that Impact, Nate?
That's it.
Oh, that's Devin? Yeah, he been having that thing about 4 years.
Damn.
Yeah. Oh, it's gonna pay for itself.
Oh, that paid for itself the first year. I mean, this little air didn't take it off. I hit it with a battery and said, shit. And you know them tires they be flipping on them during that weight shit?
Uh-huh.
Cross train?
Yeah. I already know. Parking right there. Man, we're getting somewhere today. Everything look good on here. Check everything while I'm under here. Battery. Today's word class is battery. Battery. Today's word class is battery.
Shit. And you know them tires they be flipping on them during that weight shit?
Uh-huh.
Cross train?
Battery. He got it all. Battery.
Damn.
Yeah. Oh, it's gonna pay for itself.
Oh, that paid for itself the first year. I mean, this little air didn't take it off.
Battery.
I hit it with a battery and said, now there ain't no 5.3.
Man, don't disrespect that boy. Ain't no 5.3. Man, look at that motor, that boy. That boy got that 4L60E.
This is LS1.
Yeah, boy. Got the 853. What I'm set up like this going for? Man, Man, this truck looks so fast with these tires on. Boy running a 245 60 15. Man, they soft too.
It's soft, yeah. Battery.
Battery.
Yeah, battery.
It's a battery. Boy, go put a new battery in that remote, boy. That's why you can't change the channel. You need a new battery.